Hi everyone, welcome to Seismic Data Processing Core. So in today's lecture, I'm gonna talk about the software. We have the process software. I'm gonna keep the link for download the software in the description below. All you have just to click on the zip file, extract all, and you have process software. Go and look for Vistawin software. This is the application. Okay, close, close, file, from file, open project. We have the process software. Go for tutorial project, tutorial, and then you have tutorial A. Click OK, click fix. Okay, so I'm gonna look, we have all the survey name, and this is the survey type. This is the traces, type, start and end, and SR. Go for 12, click on this icon. So in today's lecture we're gonna do the first break picking. First break picking will allow you to see all your channels. The first break, the first picking this for seismic wave on the seismic traces. So we have two things. You have this icon. If you click, so you can see all the channels and all the traces. We have first, this is the short gathering, the seismic trace. We have the time in millisecond, and we have the distance in meter. This is the distance from the source to the receiver. We have this option, first break pick option, search window in millisecond, sliding window 20 millisecond. You can change them. We have the search method, either with the peak or top or up to 0 or down to 0. And also we have the display. You can change the color. Okay. Also we have X coordinate and offset range from 0 to 99.9. Okay, so if we click OK, so we change the color from black to green. So we're gonna start simply, and then the next step we will go deep within the software. We have XT view, is allow you to see if your reflections are going well or not. This is the time, this is the depth, the offset. So if you have any spike in here, for example this is spike, that means you have to correct this one, you have to correct this one. Otherwise, if you see your reflections are going well, smoothly, that means all your reflection is going well. So for example, again, I have to go for manually add picking. So this is just to illustrate to you how these spiking are showing. Close this one, go back to this view, so you can see this spiking. I add this spiking manually, so you have to correct if you have a spiking, so you have very straightforward reflections. How to do that if you need to change? Okay, if you need to make this screen is bigger, with your left mouse just highlight this part and then you'll have it bigger. Highlight again, you'll have it bigger. So you can see the first one is moving to this part, this one moving to this part. We have to back these reflections to the first break. Go for manual first break pick with your left mouse, one click, you'll have them all back. Okay, one click on your left mouse. So this is your first break picking, and then if you close this one, if you back to the, you'll see all the spiking are going now. So this is the first thing you need to do. If you have very spiky, you have to select the first break and you have to correct them all. Also you have in here the show color. You can show the color from the side. If you need to back, how to zoom out, double click on your left mouse to allow you to zoom out. double click on your left mouse. If you need to make this screen bigger, just with your left mouse, highlight the part and then go for it. Highlight the part, go for it. Double click, you will back to the original interface. So this is all you need to know about the first lecture. This is the interface of Vista software. In the next video, we'll go deeper to calculate all the things I need to know about the seismic data processing. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.